I wanted to include this unboxing of the FC-E4800 in the first video, but I accidentally deleted the footage as I transferred it over. So we're going to do this again. I've repackaged it as best I can, and this is roughly how it's going to show up at your door. You have the user manual, explains how to use it. Here's everything that comes inside. So these are the driver's support brackets. Everything is toolless. These slide on the bottom side of the driver, and then the feet will attach into the grooves of the light here. You can install it inside the tent or use the extra wiring to install it outside of the tent. You also get a standard power cable. You get your two steel wires to attach to the light itself, the RJ11 cable for daisy chaining up to 30 lights, and two adjustable rope hangers to attach to those steel cables. Now right now this light is $300 and you receive the Bluetooth connector for free. The very first model of this one was $500 is what I paid, almost $500 after tax. You also had to assemble it. This one folds out. There's nothing to assemble. You don't need any tools. Very, very easy. Like I said in the first video, 15 minutes, you can get this out of the box and set up if you know what you're doing. Really good quality. I mean, they've been improving ever since. The packaging is really nice. They have some reinforced hard foam and some cardboard on the side with the hinge to protect it. As you can see, UPS damaged the box a little bit, but there's nothing wrong with the light at all. It showed up perfect, no dents, no dings, no errors, no lights out. So if you're looking for a new light, this is an excellent choice for a 4-foot by 4-foot or a 5-foot by 5-foot grow tent. Check out Mars Hydro. Use my code mysticalgardens to save yourself some cash at checkout. Welcome back. Today is day 24. It's been really hectic around here, and truth be told, I don't know exactly when the first plant came up, but we're going to call today day 24. Some of the smaller plants are up to a week behind with how staggered out the germination was. We lost about 50 or 60 of the trop skunks because I let them sit in that water too long and they either drowned or just cooked. So we lost a huge portion of that run. I'm a little bummed on that one, but it's okay. We really just need to find 1 or 2 auto females. We've got the 3 boys. I took 10 trop skunks outside yesterday, and we'll see what they do. They could still be boys too, because usually boys won't show themselves this early, day 24. That's just not something that photo periods do. But autoflowers definitely can, especially in small containers. So I'm hoping at least one of them is an auto girl. We might have some more boys out there, but we'll see. We ended up with 13 good trop skunks, 3 boys, 10 unknown. The larger plants are starting to come back pretty good. Everything needs water. I've just been neglecting this entire grow, and you can really see it. But they're coming back, they're getting their color, they're putting out new growth. Starting to look a little bit happier. These 2 little zupas need to go outside. These melons need to go outside. It just will not break. The weather is just, it's not cold, don't get me wrong. It's not snowing outside, but the nighttime temperatures are a little too cold for the melons. They don't like to be under 65. I put one outside and it doesn't seem to be entirely happy. It's growing, but it's a little upset. It's not as advanced as the ones that have stayed inside. So hopefully in the next couple days we can get them out. With the few that we moved out, we did get a little bit more space. I have to come in here and water. We're going to start up potting really soon. We got to organize them, and I have to get you that list of everything we lost and everything that we still have. But all in all, things are going really good. I had a bit of an issue with the last video. For whatever reason, my computer does not like to play back 4K video in my software while I'm editing. So I had to edit that video on my phone. And I didn't get to include the captions, the date captions that I like to add, just to keep track. So hopefully, when I get this upgrade, I will be able to edit on the computer again. If not, we're just going to try to do a little bit better with the editing on the phone. And we'll keep going forward. You can see a few of these, like this one here, and like this one in the back, and then one over here. Some of them just aren't happy. I don't know if that's just the way that I set them up or it's just genetics, but man, night and day right there. It's about time to take some cuts. Maybe by the end of the week these will be ready again. They'll be nice and happy. Day 26. These plants in the back are doing really good now. Their colors come back. They may look a bit more yellow on camera than they actually are. They look really good right now. Still a bit hungry, but they're okay. It's almost time for lights off. We're gonna try to up-pot a bunch of these, see how many we can get done and how many we can fit. Check out this legendary Larry. This thing is huge. When you actually see it in the cup, just really good internodal spacing too. Really broad leaves. I did not expect to find something like that in that gene pool. I don't know what I expected, but it wasn't that. The boys are starting to open up. They haven't dropped any pollen just yet, but I'm pretty sure they're autos at this point. So let's get to work. So here's how I'm doing the up pot process. Normally these are ready to just go right outside. They could go right in the ground, but we need a bit more time. So I've got it numbered. That's the Larry we were just looking at. Just a little bit of soil, a little bit of food in the bottom there. And we're gonna set it in there and just backfill with our regular potting mix. Okay, so we're finished partially. I got potted as many as I could. We have about 31. 3 of them look a little iffy. Mostly these ones down here. They're really just overwatered right now. I'm gonna give them time to recover. Hopefully they will. I move stuff around a little bit. Those melons absolutely have to go outside. They are just reaching everywhere. One was starting to vine onto one of the cannabis plants. We can't have that. Here's how those 2 Zupas turned out. Really good health. Did start to flower a little bit, but I think it's going to re-veg. We'll see. Here's some of the trop skunks. They got really big really quick. Here's a few more. They still haven't shown sex. I think they're all female, but we'll see. Day 29. Everything's looking really good now. We're almost ready to take some cuts off of these big plants, then they can go outside finally, give us some more space. These little Zupas, I don't know if they'll ever be happy inside. They need to go on the ground. The melons are going bananas. They went from one species to another. They went from melons to bananas. I don't know what happened. The boys are just letting loose everywhere. Well, that's okay because nothing's in flower, so I don't care about that. Have you ever seen a male flower in 29 days start dropping pollen? That's crazy. I've never seen an autoflower male in person. And that is mine. I created that. So we're going to get the melons out probably today or tomorrow. Same with the rest of these food plants here soon. Those peppers need a little more time. These sad plants over here, I don't know, these two, they might not make it, but this one over here is going to work out. Here's everything we lost. So 2 of the garlic storms, glitter bomb, 2 of my GG4 F2 cross, 2 of the shark's breath and skunk cross, 2 of the Larry, and 6 of the trop skunk, plus whatever unknown number, 50, 60 of the seeds that did not make it. I'm most bummed about the garlic storms, but you know, that's a lesson to be learned. Don't let them get really hot and dry when they're babies. I thought I could leave that environment, and it just didn't work out that way. So that's not the breeder's fault, that is user error. They have gotten so large since I up-potted the few that I did. I can't wait to see what they do outside. They're going to get massive. It's starting to get really hot outside. It's reaching 100 degrees in this tent just about every day. I don't have a thermometer out here, but I can tell. As soon as you walk into this room, it's cooking. It's humid. Mars Hydro also sent me a humidifier, but honestly right now I don't need it. It's so humid I don't want to add any more. But I have a really good use for that humidifier that I will explain in a future video. So thank you for watching. Remember to check out Mars Hydro. Use my code mysticalgardens, all lowercase, all one word. Save some cash at checkout. Remember to check back every Sunday. I want to say noon, but it might be 6 p.m. like we're going to do today. I've just been so slammed. It's hard for me to juggle everything at once, but we're making it happen. So check back next Sunday from noon to 6 p.m. and I'll see you then.